Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah. Hi friend, how are you? I hope all of you are well. Alhamdulillah. I'm also well. So today I want to talk about in Miami life. So first of all, thanks for God to give me another chance to talk in front of my brother and sister. So this is Jahidul Islam Shubho. I'm from Puthuyakhali, Bangladesh. So every people life have uh, aim. That's I have also aim. So my aim is I think so different. I passed SSC exam in 2015. Then I saw in our society have lots of problem. Our village poor people think our our children, our child learn and study, achieve or say lots of things, and then they go to take a government job. But government job not easy. I want other things. Our education system is so bad. It's not suitable for job because it's only for part of business in our government. So this time I realized these things, but my parents not understand the things. They are so very sad to me because they are poor people, but they have a dream. My children have gained lots of knowledge and they achieve lots of degree and they ruled in our society, but it's they are not understand it's in what the under in. So I forget education. I didn't continue my education. Then I go to a search. Then I looking for a job, and suddenly I achieve. I have a I had a a salesman job in shoes factory in my first time job. So it's about 1 month. There gives me 4,050 100 taka. But this time my first job, I don't about things how much there gives me. But it's a first experience. I enjoy it, but this time this shop owner is so friendly. They loves me. But when I complete 1 month job, but this time I waste lots of taka in nothing way. So that's why I search new job where their gifts are lots of more than money these jobs. Then I search and I have a new jobs. So that's why today I have a some task. So then another day I will share with you, brother, my next journey in life and how I came here this position. So thank you. Tata, bye bye. See you. Assalamu alaikum.